Finding area from your AutoCAD drawing is one of the frequent tasks which is always done by almost everyone. And in AutoCAD, you can find area of different objects in many different ways. But in this video, I will tell you about finding areas using the inquiry tools. So here we have these two simple geometries, and now we'll find the enclosed area of this complete shape and also this one using the inquiry tool. And for that, once again, I'll go to the utilities panel, and from here I'll select the area tool. So in the previous video we have seen these inquiry tools, and now in this video I'll tell you about this area tool. So select this area tool, and now you need to specify the area in your drawing. So here I'll select this geometry first. Now let's say that we want to find the area of this complete geometry, and for that I'll start with any point. Now click at the second point, then the third point, fourth, and the fifth. Now we have this green window, and the complete area which is enclosed in this green window can be seen directly using this command. So now let's press enter, and here we have it. So the area is 6896.7586 square units, and the perimeter is 330.7268 units. So whatever the unit you are using, if you're using mm, that will be millimeter square. If you're using inches, that will be inches square. So the area will depend upon the unit which you are using. Now in this case, the geometry was quite simple. So we selected the coordinate points and we found out the area. But in this case, we cannot find the area simply by clicking because we have an arc here. Now let's ignore this circle for a moment. I'll press escape key, and I'll try to find the area of this complete outer geometry. We will simply ignore this circle for now. Now once again, I'll go to utilities panel and I'll select the area. Now instead of selecting the points from this drawing, select this object option. Now click on it and simply click on the object. Now for clicking on this object, you need to ensure that this complete object is made with a single unit, a single polyline or region, and it should be connected, because you cannot use this tool for finding area of this geometry. Because in this case, obviously we have these connected lines, but this line is not connected, and hence we won't be able to find the area in this case. So simply click on this geometry, and the complete area is selected, including the circle. Now we have the results here. So the area is 1179.5179 square units, and the perimeter is here 433.9930 units. Now obviously there must be situations where we don't want to find the area of this circle. We want to exclude the area of this circle from this complete area. In those cases, you can use the subtract tool. So let's press escape key, and once again I'll go to the area. And now here, look at the command line. So we have some options here like add area, subtract area. So select this subtract area first, and now click on object and click on this circle. Now you'll see that the color of this circle is different, and whenever you'll find the complete area, the area of this circle will be removed from that. Now press enter. Now go to the command line and select this add area option, and once again click on object and select this object. So now the final area can be seen here. So the total area was this, and the area of the circle has been removed from that, and the remaining area is 8828.9054 unit, which is the area of this green portion, excluding the area of this circle. Now press enter. So in this way, you can find area of different geometries using the area command or the area inquiry tool of AutoCAD.